Attic humidity control is key to keeping your home comfy and avoiding nasty mold or wood rot problems you do not want to deal with. So, first off, you want to make sure your attic has proper ventilation. That means having vents that let fresh air in and push out moist air, which stops that sticky, damp vibe. You can check if your attic has enough soffit vents and ridge vents. Those are the main players for airflow. Next, sealing any gaps or cracks where warm, moist air from your living space sneaks into the attic is super important because that moisture can cause condensation. Also, using a good vapor barrier under your insulation helps keep moisture from rising up. If you notice humidity is still high, consider a dehumidifier made for attics to pull extra moisture out of the air. Keep an eye on your attic's humidity with a simple hygrometer. It is like a thermostat, but for moisture levels. Finally, make sure your attic insulation is dry and in good shape, because wet insulation loses its effectiveness and can harbor mold. All these steps together help keep your attic dry and your home healthier. One of the biggest mistakes with attic humidity control is ignoring ventilation without proper airflow. Moisture just hangs around and causes mold growth. Fix it by installing or upgrading vents to get that air moving right. Another common issue is poor air sealing between your home and attic, which lets humid indoor air seep up and condense. Sealing gaps with caulk or foam really helps stop this. Lastly, folks often forget to check or replace old insulation that has gotten damp or compressed, which means it can no longer block moisture effectively. Swapping out bad insulation for dry, fluffy stuff makes a big difference. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors who know how to handle attic jobs and more. Contractors also find it useful because it connects them with people needing their skills, helping them get more work without hassle.